In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to troubleshoot common issues in Trust Wallet. So to troubleshoot common issues in Trust Wallet, there might be several different reasons such as network issues, or you need to refresh your application and all that. So in order to fix it, what you have to do is, first of all, make sure that you're connected to a stable internet connection, because an unstable network can result in transaction failure as well. And likewise, you could go ahead and switch over to mobile data or do the same thing, that is vice versa thing, and you should be able to fix your issue. If that's not the case, then you can also try exiting out of your Trust Wallet and a long press on it and click on the app info icon, and here you could go ahead and press on storage and data. So when you go to storage and data, here you could go to click on clear cache as well as data. This can update your app to prevent transaction failure as well. And at the same time, you can also ensure you have enough transaction fees to cover your transaction. If you don't have enough fees, then it might be another reason. Likewise, if you have provided a wrong credential or details, then there might be an issue with the following. So you have to make sure to check or recheck the following information that you provided. And by following the steps or by doing this, you should be able to fix your issues in Trust Wallet. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.